So my Donnie is paying New Yorkers, and it's kind of funny because they're conservatives complaining about, oh, well, you need an ID to shovel. Yes, you do. If you want to get paid $30 an hour, you need an ID to shovel. Y'all could go home and stay home if you want to. There's something called a blessing, and I'm receiving it. I'm a Connecticut person, and I would love to go over there and replace y'all little complaining conservatives about getting paid $30 an hour to shovel snow. Back in my days in Bridgeport, that was a hustle, my brother. I was out there as a teenager, as a tween, making bank, shoveling, homies. Yo, $30 an hour? I only got like 15 for a yard. $20 for a yard, $30 for a yard. You talking about 30 an hour? Y'all just looking for anything to complain about, bro. Y'all just looking for anything to complain about, bro. Y'all, like this.